The Model 500 bender is RMD's latest creation, combining extreme high capacity for those big jobs for a fraction of the price of machines in this class. It is a very powerful, portable, and extremely accurate hydraulic tube bending machine, capable of bending 3-inch Schedule 40 pipe or 3.5-inch diameter tubing. The Model 500 uses 2 powerful industrial-grade hydraulic cylinders to produce bend angles up to 200 degrees in one shot without stopping or ratcheting. A 180-degree bend can be produced in 35 seconds. It is ruggedly built of solid steel construction using only the highest quality hydraulics and components, ensuring long life and productivity. The Model 500 has a dial degree feature. This allows the user to accurately and repeatedly produce bends by simply dialing in the desired degree angle. To allow for spring back of your material, simply add the amount of spring back to your desired angle. The counter die position is adjustable and calibrated. A numerical counter displays its position at all times so that multiple bends requiring the same counter die position can be consistent and accurate. Any tooling from RMD will fit the Model 500 and can be changed very quickly. Simply drop the die into place and insert the pin through the counter die. The Model 500 is extremely easy to use with only 4 variables to be considered: degree of bend, counter die position, forward, and reverse. Insert your tubing in the hook arm of the die. Apply a liberal amount of lubrication. Now tighten the counter die, noting the counter die position indicator. Dial in the desired angle, adding on the amount of spring back. Push the control lever forward, holding it down until the die head reaches its programmed degree. The machine will automatically stop. After reaching the final degree, momentarily activate the reverse lever to release pressure. Then open the counter die block and remove the material, in this case 3-inch Schedule 40 pipe. Once the pipe is removed, activate the reverse lever until the machine reaches its home position. The Model 500 is so simple, it can be used by anyone with minimal training. It is the perfect bender for those heavy-duty applications like gas pump guards, basketball posts, or shipbuilding, and would be an excellent addition to any welding, fabrication, or construction shop.